Dallas, along McKinney. Maybe you're out there along North Fitzhugh. Maybe along Highway 12, getting up towards, along the Central Expressway here. All of those areas up near
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued new severe thunderstorm warnings for Rockwall County, northwestern Kaufman County, southeastern Collin County, and northeastern Dallas County until 8:45. A severe thunderstorm complex is located over Sunnyvale, also near Rowlett, moving north by northeast at 45 miles per hour. Spotters have confirmed ping-pong ball-sized hail near downtown Mesquite. This storm may contain hail of that size or larger and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for Rockwall County, northwestern Kaufman, southeastern Collin, and northeastern Dallas counties until 8:45. Severe thunderstorm located over Sunnyvale and near Rowlett, moving north at 45 miles per hour with potential 1.5-inch hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
northwest Rockwall County. Plenty of lightning, a lot of rain,